Hey everybody, 4 to 7 inches of snow this weekend. You guys might want to go to the store and get prepared. I've already gotten prepared. I'm going to be making vegetable beef soup, homemade. Also, my Adams Family stew that I make. Uh, got some Klondike ice cream cones. I mean, just, got a bunch of stuff. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I'm tired. I get tired though. Anyway, got us a great big bunch of these cheese balls today. Just got this, that, and the other. But anyway, you guys need to be prepared. I just thought I'd go and tell you just in case you guys don't know what's going to be happening real soon. Yeah. Peace out.